Introducing the Hikvision DS-3E0106P-E/M. The Hikvision PoE Switch comes with the device and power adapter. Let's talk about features. For PoE Switch, a reliable and powerful solution for your networking needs. It also has 2 uplink ports. The PoE ports can deliver up to 35 watts of power output, ideal for powering PoE devices. The switch can be used to provide both power and new connection to the IP camera using single Cat6 cable. Featuring 6 kW surge protection and support for up to 300 meters of long-range transmission, this switch ensures reliable connectivity in harsh conditions. With wire speed forwarding and store and forward switching, data transfer is fast and efficient, ensuring smooth network performance. Encased in a solid high-strength metal shell and featuring a reliable fan-free design, this switch is built to last. Let's talk about installation. For installation, power the PoE switch with the adapter, then connect the Cat6 cable to the PoE switch port. The another end will be connected to the camera. Lights start to blink as soon as it gets connected with the camera. Yellow for connectivity and green for power. Now you can experience reliability and performance, everything under the one device. The perfect choice for your networking needs.